Hello and welcome to Win-Win Live. My name is Harry Baldock, editor of Total Telecom. Today we have two esteemed guests joining us, really to share their experiences and perspectives on Mauritius Telecom's cloud transformation journey. Let's welcome Yagyanath Rosuni, Mauritius Telecom CTO, and Kapil Risal, Mauritius Telecom CEO. Gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you, Harry.
Mauritius Telecom is a leading carrier in Africa and has many best practices in cloud transformation. What do you think are the core elements of MT's cloud transformation and what progress have you made so far?
MT started its first cloud services as back as 2010 when the major operators were starting their own cloud. MT's second phase of cloud transformation started in early 2020. The core element of our cloud strategy are based on two pillars. MT own cost reduction for IT infrastructure. We found that we could reduce our IT costs as much as 20%. The second pillar is our new revenue growth. As a traditional telecom, our organic revenue growth has slowed down. The MT Cloud has given us a new revenue opportunity in the IT sector with the introduction of infrastructure as a service in our Tier 4 data center. That was a reality. So I would say that we also implemented a data center by 2019, which was a Tier 4, and it enabled us to launch a public cloud platform. Right now, we are at the phase 2.0, that is bundling our bandwidth with our cloud solution. Our strategy is to move to phase 3.0, which is going to be in early 2025 by bringing artificial intelligence and big data with our cloud solution offering.
And of course, cloud computing is growing as a really major topic in the telecoms industry. What does MT think is the most important strategy for cloud transformation?
So the new revenue potential for MT Cloud is the most important strategy, as we still have an untapped market in the business, consumer and government sector. The government sector is one to be convinced to use, as cloud it is more secure and less costly for them than using the traditional IT solution. The B2B segment, especially the SME, has a high potential given that government digital strategy will drive them to use more and more IT solutions as a service and storage as a service. The consumer and home market is also important with smart home solutions such as CCTV as a service and IoTs.
You mentioned cloud partners there. How do you select cloud transformation partners and what are your major considerations when doing so?
Thank you, Harry. MT cannot do all the cloud transformation alone. In fact, it is a huge market. Especially, we think that small partners, they are more agile than us in the application and also in the integration part of the cloud business. So what we are trying to do is, in fact, to have the strategy of englobing small partners so that we can penetrate the market quicker. We should adopt the phase 3.0 of early adoption so that we can also integrate AI and big data into our cloud solutions for the different markets. A stronger partner will be the key success factor for the transformation of MT, for the digital transformation and also for the cloud transformation of MT.
That's all we have time for today here at the Win-Win Live studio. Thank you everyone for joining us and see you next time.